It's time for another magical Miele. This clean care from the job lot from who knows how long ago now. It's time to get it done. Time to get it fixed up. S5281. 2,200 watts. Ooh. See if it even works. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Yeah, time to look at another Miele, because otherwise we will have them forever. Starting at the business end, obviously they didn't have any floor tools with them when we got them, and I've just gone and dug out this Miele All-Tech polable plastic base platey thing, which, I don't know, actually thinking about this a bit more now, 2,200 watts, sure it'll be fine. This is going to be sold anyway, so yeah, this is already refurbished, so we'll just go back to the bits that we got with the vacuum itself. We have a genuine Miele telescopic wand, telescopics very nicely indeed. Problem is, cosmetically, look, it's got a crack, or a big chunk of plastic missing out of the wand, so yeah, we're going to have to sort of ignore that a little bit. The hose is filthy, but not too bad. The slide control is good, the handle is not worn completely down, just partly, and yeah, that will do quite nicely. Right, let's have a quick look at the machine itself, which is very, very nice indeed, in its white with the silver accent. Sadly, the buttons have cancer. They all do that. I've not really seen many Mieles nowadays, especially, that isn't trashed on. I might have some better ones actually. See how well I can be bothered. No, the problem is the knob's worn as well. So if I go and find better ones of these, it's still going to look a bit rubbish. We might just leave it alone. Inside the tool door, yep, we have all of the tools. Very nice indeed. We have a nice new bag, filters, oof, ow, a fancy carbon filter with the carbon still in there, so who knows, we might just vacuum that off and see how we go. So yeah, so far so good. Seems to have all the hallmarks of something that is going to work fairly well. So let's get plugged in and confirm that fact. Right then, let's start off, well, where we are now. Aha! Well, yeah, she works well. No smell of burning, no nasty noises, that's not bad. However, as you noticed, the on-off button is not working, so let's have a look at that first. Now, getting into the switches on one of these shouldn't be too difficult. Pop the back trim off first at the ends, no, not the cord rewind, there we go, and then we can see the two screws which hold the switch panel on. Don't need to go too deep inside, I don't think. Might need to pop this off, but really, there we go. This stuff, oh poo, no, look, there's brown stuff on it. Oh, we might have to go a little bit further thinking about it, because don't want to break this. There we go. Yeah, that's fine. Our problem is, oh, it is down there, isn't it? Oh, a layer further down. It's been a while since I've done an S5, folks. I do apologise. So, all the back switches off. Lift this up, and somewhere should be under here. Flick the two tabs down. Take the bag door off, and take the bag out, and then just undo all of the screws, holding the white shell in place. white shelf will lift off, and now we can see our little switch. Yeah, that's not clicking at all, is it? So that is our problem. We'll pull off the entire wiring loom. It plugs in down here. It can be a little bit of a sod. Oh, come on. Really? You're going to... Wow. There we go. Thank you. Oh, that pulled all out completely. That's no good. Yeah. We need to find ourselves another switch. It is a simple 2-pole switch. So I think I know where we might find some of those. Because inside my box of scrap Dyson parts we have another single pole switch. Although annoyingly the prongs come out at the bottom rather than the back. So all we really need to do is to bend those tabs like that. Remove our old broken switch and its wires. Push the wires back onto our new, hopefully working switch. It would have worked when it came off of the machine. And unless I've made some sort of horrendous mistake or error, this should work. I was mid-panic, might still be, hence why you can see hot glue gun, fixer of all problems. You see, the Miele switch has these 2 tabs, which obviously click in to some bits on here. And I've been holding this in my hand going, oh no, whenever you push the switch, it pushes out because there is literally nothing holding it in. So I literally just put it on here to test how much hot glue I can cocoon the entire thing in. When, do you know, when this is pushed down and on properly, I thought, can I show you the back of the switch? Hits the back of the casing. And all of a sudden, it's rock solid. So, I believe we should put the top case back on and see if this theory holds true. Push down the blanking plate for the power control. This isn't a posh model, so we don't have power control. Electronic hose. Come on. Oh, I didn't. You've got to put this on the square. There we go. As soon as you put it on the square, boom, drops down. And in this little slot here is our switch. Yeah. It's pushing. I think we're going to give this a go. And I'm going to do up all of the screws. Put on the speed control knob housing. We'll reassemble it a little bit properly compared to how we ripped it apart. There we go. That pops out. Should be okay. Then put its 2 screws back in. Then we will very carefully put these back on because this is very easy to snap. Put the front end on first, and then you can finagle it back just enough for that side to click in nicely. Actually, check its operation. Same with the power button slide in at the front, and then that side just clicks in very nicely indeed. Then you can put this back trim back on. We'll pop our filter back in, put the tool door back on, simply just line up the tabs with the notches. And push and click. Don't fall out the back. Come on. Oh yeah, fit the bag, otherwise the bag door won't close. Then we'll pop our diffuser back on with its grill and try again. Really? Oh, bet this switch is longer when it's out. Oh my goodness. Looks like we do have to warm the hot glue gun up then. I don't think there's going to be enough space to work with the hot glue, sort of pushing it on top of the switch itself in there. So what I have done is, this is where it pushes down, look, and I think there might be a snapped piece, or it's just worn. So I've Q-bonded a piece of yoghurt pot lid to it, and just maybe, I mean, it might be too long yet, and it might just run permanently, in which case we'll have to shave it down. Oh, I don't like doing these, and we're going to have to do this about 50 million times. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, look, there we go. Oh, the yogurt pot thing snapped off. Let me get this on. Hey! Perfect! Fixed it for free with a bit of coupons and some yogurt pot. We'll see how long it lasts. We shall call it a tentative fix for now. So we're going to strip and wash the entire machine, so we'll see if it falls off. But for now, we have replaced our switch for free, which is very nice indeed. Yeah, we can, in theory, start to vacuum. We won't leave it on max power. Yeah, a nice floor head for this rug. This is not. However, right, now that we have a good working machine, we can move on to what is perhaps part 2 of this video. Now, as you know, we got a couple of Miele cat and dog turbo heads, didn't we? In the job lot. Well, when I was searching for the Alltech, where that came from, I found 3 more, and some look very clean and are probably refurbished, these 2 specifically. The rest aren't. I don't think I've actually looked at them in much detail and seen which ones work. Now I think this one's probably clean because it's the one that I'm keeping for our own personal use, hence the broken bracket. Yeah. That works very well, so that's ours for, future shenanigans. Yeah, I'm probably going to sell this with one of these, and I want to get the rest refurbished anyway. So let's see how these work. We shall start with this one with the sellotape. Not sounding too healthy at all. That's probably quite warm. Okay, put that one in the nope pile. This filthy thing, how do you work? Because I've just been testing these. Not bad. Onto the big pile. Oh. I've not even got the machine on full power because I don't like running them on full power. And I'm finally... Yeah, I think what I might do with this one is perhaps, make one okay one out of 2, but then, if I watch bored on this one here and just nick it out of this one and throw the rest away because it's all tatty. And in fact, you know what, I could probably also fix this one because I'd have a spare nice neck then with a parking bracket. So, you know what, that's fairly good to know. And they're clean enough that I could probably do that without needing to wash them at all. These 2 work absolutely fine. They're just, well, that one's very filthy. That one's a little bit filthy. And yeah, look, this is, I don't mind removing the strip completely because nobody fully cares. But there's one with it stripped just for completeness. So yeah, one of those can go with this, along with this head, because I just want to get rid of it really, it's plastic. That's why it was rubbish. The brushes were up. Why did nobody tell me? Hang on, it's probably still really hot. Oh no! Ooh. Ooh. Hello! Ah, that's actually very pleasant. Okay, I'll take all that back. Oh yes, indeed, and it fits very nicely into the back of the machine, in fact. Ooh. Well, you fit very nice. Yes, you will. Excellent. So there's the tools it's going to come with. Next time you see this, it should look very clean and very shiny, and I would have taken these 4 down to probably 2, maybe 3, see how we go. But yeah, for now anyway, that is a job well done. So, tell me down below, have you ever seen a Miele S5 badged up as Clean Care before? Do let me know down below. And until the next time, I and this Miele will see you soon. Bye bye.